Hey YouTube, it's Taki with Taki Tech. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about just making a simple command button. And here I am on the developer ribbon within the controls section. And I'm in design mode, so you want to make sure you click on that, and basically it just kind of turns things off. It becomes a little bit more important as you work with other controls other than command buttons. But it is important when you're working with existing command buttons so that you don't end up accidentally running a macro that you assign to the button. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click in here and I'm going to choose a form control or an ActiveX control. Now the ActiveX control is something that I don't use too often. I've had bad experiences with them, but it is something that I will consider using just because there's a little bit more functionality with an ActiveX control. But normally a regular control from Native Excel is good enough. And we're just going to choose the button here. So we get the button, we get the little cross, and we can kind of draw it where we want it. So I'm going to draw it here. And it's going to ask me to assign a macro to it. At this point, I'm not going to assign a macro. You could even type out a new macro, or you could record a macro. For our project, I'm going to write something a little bit later. First thing I wanted to do was make the button. So I'm just going to click cancel on that. Here's our button here. Now normally what I would do if this was a different type of control is I would go into properties and I would start editing some of the properties. In this situation though, what I will do here is all I have to do is do format control. And I can change the font style, the font, actual font itself, the size of it, and the effects and the color and the underline of the font. If I want to change the name, just click inside, and real simply, you can just change the name here. And we're just going to say get new data. Alright, so that's all I really have to show you on this video. It's a quick one. I'm going to try to keep them quicker in the future. If you do like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment. And if you like the information that you're getting on this channel, make sure you subscribe. And thanks a lot. Take it easy.